Precision, power, reliability. These words define the legendary M24 sniper rifle. But have you ever wondered how millions of these masterpieces roll off the production line each year? From raw steel to the final test fire, we're about to take you on a journey through the intricate world of M24 manufacturing. Get ready, because you're about to gain a whole new appreciation for the rifle that set the standard for military and law enforcement snipers worldwide. Let's dive into the fascinating process of M24 production, a symphony of high-tech manufacturing and time-honored gunsmithing techniques. We start with the heart of the rifle, the barrel. The M24's barrel begins as a solid rod of chrome moly steel, specifically 416R stainless steel. This material is chosen for its excellent balance of strength, machinability, and corrosion resistance. But why 416R? Well, it's got a high chromium content, about 13%, which gives it superior rust resistance compared to other stainless steels. This is crucial for a rifle that might see action in diverse and harsh environments. The steel undergoes a process called button rifling, where a tungsten carbide button is drawn through the barrel bore, carving out the rifling grooves in one precise pass. This method is preferred over cut rifling or hammer forging because it produces a smoother bore surface with less variation, contributing to the M24's exceptional accuracy. The rifling process is critical to the M24's legendary accuracy. The standard twist rate for the M24 is 1 11¼ inches, meaning the rifling makes one complete revolution in 11¼ inches. This twist rate is optimized for the 175 grain .308 Winchester round, providing the perfect balance of stability and accuracy for this ammunition. It's worth noting that this twist rate also stabilizes heavier bullets well, giving the M24 versatility with different loads. After rifling, the barrel undergoes a stress-relieving process. It's heated to around 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit and then slowly cooled. This process, similar to annealing, reduces internal stresses in the metal that could cause the barrel to warp or lose accuracy over time. It's a crucial step that ensures the M24 maintains its legendary precision, shot after shot. The slow cooling is key here. It allows the steel's crystalline structure to realign, eliminating the stresses introduced during the rifling process. Next, the barrel is contoured on a CNC lathe. The M24 uses a heavy barrel profile, which provides increased accuracy and heat dissipation. The extra mass also helps dampen barrel harmonics, further enhancing accuracy. This heavy contour is one reason why the M24 can maintain accuracy during sustained fire. It simply doesn't heat up as quickly as lighter barrels. The final step for the barrel is threading the muzzle to accept a suppressor, a standard feature on the M24. The threads are typically 5/8 by 24 threads per inch, which has become a standard for .30 caliber rifles. This standardization allows for easy attachment of various suppressors and other muzzle devices. Moving on to the action, we're looking at the heart of the Remington 700 system, which the M24 is based on. The action is machined from a solid billet of 4140 chrome moly steel. Why 4140? It's known for its toughness and ability to be heat-treated to high hardness levels, making it ideal for an action that needs to withstand thousands of high-pressure cartridge ignitions. CNC machines carve out the intricate details of the action, creating surfaces that must align perfectly for the rifle to function with the reliability demanded by military snipers. The tolerances here are incredibly tight. We're talking about measurements in the thousandths of an inch. The action's feed ramps, for instance, are polished to a mirror finish to ensure smooth feeding of ammunition. The bolt, a crucial component of the action, is machined to incredibly tight tolerances. We're talking about clearances measured in thousandths of an inch. The bolt face where the cartridge sits is particularly critical. It needs to be perfectly flat and square to the bolt axis. Any deviation could affect accuracy or even safety. The bolt is typically machined from the same 4140 steel as the action, then heat-treated for additional hardness. One unique feature of the M24 is its dual front locking lugs. These provide an extremely strong lockup, capable of handling the high pressures generated by Magnum cartridges. This design also allows for a shorter bolt throw, enabling faster follow-up shots if needed. The locking lugs are precision ground after heat treatment to ensure perfect engagement with the action recesses. The extractor on the M24 is worth a mention. It's a Sako-style extractor, known for its reliability. This spring-loaded extractor provides a controlled round feed, meaning the cartridge is under control of the bolt from the moment it leaves the magazine until it's ejected. This design contributes to the M24's reliability under adverse conditions. Now, let's talk about the stock. While early M24s used a wooden stock, modern versions typically feature a Macmillan A5 fiberglass stock. This stock is created using a process called hand layup, where layers of fiberglass cloth are saturated with resin and formed in a mold. The result is a stock that's incredibly strong, stable, and resistant to environmental factors that could affect accuracy. The A5 stock isn't just a shaped piece of fiberglass, it's a carefully engineered component. The buttstock, for instance, contains an aluminum bedding block that provides a stable platform for the action. The fore-end is designed to be free-floating, meaning it doesn't contact the barrel, allowing the barrel to vibrate consistently with each shot. The bedding process is crucial for accuracy. This involves creating a perfect fit between the action and the stock. A special compound, typically a two-part epoxy, is used to fill any gaps, ensuring that the action sits in exactly the same position every time the rifle is fired. This consistency is key to the M24's exceptional accuracy. The bedding compound is usually aluminum-filled for additional strength and heat resistance. Let's move on to the trigger assembly. The M24 uses a match-grade trigger, typically the Remington 40X trigger. Each component of the trigger assembly is precision machined and then hand-fitted. The trigger pull weight is adjustable, typically between 3 to 5 pounds, allowing snipers to fine-tune the rifle to their preferences. The trigger mechanism is a marvel of engineering, designed to provide a crisp, clean break with minimal creep. This is crucial for precision shooting, as any inconsistency in the trigger pull can translate to inaccuracy downrange. The sear engagement surfaces are polished to a mirror finish to reduce friction and provide a crisp break. The safety mechanism on the M24 is worth noting. It's a 3-position safety that allows the bolt to be operated while the gun is on safe. This is a crucial feature for military snipers, allowing them to safely check the chamber or unload the rifle without disengaging the safety. Now, about that scope mount. The M24 uses a one-piece Picatinny rail, machined integral to the receiver. This provides a rock-solid mounting surface for the optics. The rail typically has a 20 MOA, minutes of angle, built-in cant, allowing for improved long-range performance by giving the scope more elevation adjustment. The Picatinny rail is machined to precise tolerances, with each slot exactly 0.206 inches wide and spaced at 0.394-inch intervals. This standardization allows for the use of a wide variety of optics and mounting systems, contributing to the M24's versatility. While we're on the topic of optics, it's worth noting that while scopes aren't typically manufactured by the same companies that make the rifles, they're an essential part of the M24 system. The U.S. military primarily uses the Leupold Mk4 scope with the M24, a 10 by 42 millimeter fixed power optic known for its clarity and durability. The fixed power design eliminates the possibility of the scope being accidentally set to the wrong magnification in a high-stress situation. Let's talk about the magazine. The M24 uses a detachable box magazine, a departure from the internal box magazine of the standard Remington 700. This magazine is typically made from steel with a polymer floor plate for durability. The feed lips, which hold the rounds in place until they're needed, are critical components. They're precisely formed and then heat-treated for strength and wear resistance. The magazine spring is another crucial component. It needs to provide consistent pressure to feed rounds reliably, but not so much pressure that it makes inserting rounds difficult. Getting this balance right is key to the M24's reliable feeding in various environmental conditions. The spring is typically made from high-grade stainless steel to resist corrosion and maintain its properties over thousands of cycles. Assembly is where all these precisely made components come together. Skilled gunsmiths with years of experience carefully fit each part to its mate. They check and double-check tolerances, making minute adjustments where needed. This attention to detail is what sets the M24 apart from mass-produced rifles. During assembly, each screw is carefully torqued to exact specifications. The action screws, for instance, are typically torqued to around 65 inch-pounds. This precise torque ensures that the action is held securely in the stock without inducing any stress that could affect accuracy. But we're not done yet. Every M24 goes through rigorous testing before it leaves the factory. They're test-fired for accuracy, function-checked for reliability, and inspected for any flaws. The accuracy testing is particularly stringent. Each rifle must be capable of shooting groups that measure less than 1 MOA, minute of angle, at 100 yards. That's less than an inch at 100 yards, a level of precision that few production rifles can match. The accuracy testing isn't just a matter of firing a few rounds and measuring the group. Each rifle is typically tested with several different loads to ensure consistent performance across a range of ammunition. The test targets are often included with the rifle when it's delivered, providing documented proof of the rifle's accuracy. Reliability testing involves cycling thousands of rounds through the rifle under various conditions. It's subjected to dust, mud, and extreme temperatures to ensure it will function in any environment. This is crucial for a rifle that may be called upon in the harshest conditions imaginable. The M24 is expected to function flawlessly in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 125 degrees Fahrenheit in driving rain and in sandstorm conditions. Finally, we come to finishing. The metal parts of the M24 are treated with a process called parkerizing. This creates a porous, matte gray finish that protects against corrosion and provides a good base for paint. The parkerizing process involves dipping the metal parts in a hot phosphate solution. This chemical reaction creates a hard, protective layer that's integral to the metal surface. The parkerizing process doesn't just provide corrosion resistance. The slightly porous nature of the finish also holds oil well, providing additional protection against rust and wear. This is particularly important for a military rifle that might see infrequent maintenance in the field. The final step is a coat of tough, weather-resistant paint. Military M24s are typically finished in a flat, dark earth color, chosen to blend in with a variety of environments. This isn't your average paint. It's a specialized chemical-resistant coating that can withstand harsh solvents used in cleaning the rifle. The paint is typically applied in several thin layers and then baked on for maximum durability. And there you have it, fellow firearms enthusiasts. From raw steel to precision instrument, that's how millions of M24 sniper rifles are born each year. It's a process that combines cutting-edge technology with time-honored craftsmanship. The world of firearms manufacturing is constantly evolving, always pushing for better accuracy, reliability, and efficiency. So the next time you shoulder an M24 or any precision rifle, remember the incredible journey it took from raw materials to the finished product in your hands. It's not just a rifle, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of perfection.